और आपको बता दें कि मुंबई में फेक वैक्सीनेशन का जो पूरा था वो 3 हफ्ते से ज्यादा का समय हो चुका है, लेकिन अभी तक सिविक बॉडी की अगर बात करें तो पीड़ितों के लिए उसके पास किसी भी तरह का कोई एक्शन प्लान नहीं है। जी हाँ, पुलिस के ये कहने के बावजूद कि वो जो वॉयल्स थे उसमें सलाइन वाटर था, इसके बावजूद बीएमसी की तरफ से इस पूरे मामले में कछुए की चाल नजर आ रही है। इसके अलावा आपको ये भी बता दें कि कोविन वेबसाइट पर आए नकली सर्टिफिकेट, जो नकली टीकाकरण के सर्टिफिकेट की बात थी, उसको रद्द करने के लिए मुंबई सिविक बॉडी द्वारा अभी तक केंद्र को पत्र नहीं लिखा गया है। 3 हफ्तों के बाद भी आपको बता दें कि बीएमसी के पास सिर्फ 120 लोगों के ही डिटेल्स हैं, जिनके हाउसिंग सोसाइटी में ये नकली टीकाकरण का जो कैंप लगा था वो सिर्फ 120 लोग हैं जिनके डिटेल्स हैं। इस पूरे मामले पर बीएमसी के अधिकारी का, एडिशनल म्युनिसिपल कमिश्नर का क्या कुछ कहना है वो भी सुनते हैं।
So as of now, we have decided to take the health status of each and every person whosoever is, vaccinated with the fake vaccine, and we are awaiting a report from the police because it is been told that some of the recipients may have received the genuine vaccine. So once the report is received, on that basis, we can go ahead with the further course of action in the sense. The first thing, health status. The second thing, cancellation of the certificate issued in some of the cases. And third thing, antibodies, testing of the antibodies. We know that the antibodies may not support us, but to some extent, definitely it will support us. And after that, the revaccination or the vaccination of such persons would be taken up. As of now, we come across only 120 certificates. Other than we have not received any certificate issued, purportedly issued by using the fake vaccine. So cancellation of this 120 certificate will be simultaneously taken place, and we will write to the government of India because the COVID portal is being used for and it is the developed by government of India. So whatever entries are to be deleted or to be modified, so the special permission is required to be taken, and that will happen next week once we receive the detailed report from the police department.
But sir, why 120 certificates? Because in all these other drives, not all of them got the certificates, but some of them did get the certificates. So the number is much above than 120 of the fake.
Yeah, because whatever we have received, we also are in touch with police department to share some of the certificates if they come across. And in case the number goes up, we have to write about that certificate. Our principle is for nullifying the certificate, we have to write to the government of India for moving for before proceeding further.